You see what one? Watch it up here. Hold your strawberry. Let me ask some question. Let me ask some question. Your house clean. It's not a dirt. Your kids clean.
We should be dancing in the key swing.
Alright. What if I tell them I'm breathing like body and I did them what you were feeling kind of? He got me back, girl. You can't do enough, your body don't grow, you're back by yourself. You can't be afraid of bitch. You're not bitch.
These are special, these are glad bottoms, these are good shoes. I can get them right now.
Marsha Murphy.
I
want to show you another audition. When you can't put your money in a pre-play, you ain't have time to miss an next year. Stop, put it down on you.
Let's start now and see. You know where I'm at, you know where I've been. You went the club, just to follow.
Let's go viral.
Rain drop, drop top, smoking on cooking the hot pot. Know your bitch shit, that. Cooking to the crack. We came from
You never gonna do a say now run the line, boy. I didn't know spend the money for you. Why you crying?
bad and bush bad. Cooking up with a we got 30 bad and bush bad.
We have some of the furthest. We'll go back to the one more over there. Let's go viral! And let me tell you. Big up all who do your foundation. Jump asleep in our need therapy. Yes, so when we wake up, and go and try. You see how shy Papa says. I should not have taxi for you to go home.
And I'm rich as a bill. 100K I put that on my wrist. $200 went down. Trying to make him turn to the real new world. Ain't no tax, so play.
Right up in that place, we got to clean up. What did you choose? And let me tell you this. If it's a type of way. Let's go viral. What do you roll on?
I'm star.
Broke your vibes. However, for the big money. Everybody stop over here. You need to cut it. When you say world thing rolling, you don't go already, world thing in that place. You don't know anything go bravo. You don't only for star in that place. You don't know, let's go viral. You understand? You don't know the world about it, that's what we're going to do. So kick it off here, man.
You used to call me on my.
How should I like shape of member?
You used to. Yeah.
Jump the party off here.
You used to call me on my cell phone. And I was repeating. Call me on my cell phone.
Dig yo! Yo, some of them are real in a real life. True shit, put down with your shot. saw them bare face.
Straight up to my turn.
And I'm all of them real.
I mean, that's so over like
All I would say, I'm on here pray. This is the year 2026. Everybody wants your money. What do you have to let them say?
selling those shits. Just a different year. I've been trying to get each and every
Rock like down the pipe.
all you need some shoes. Time to do
Let me tell you what we need.
what I'ma do.
What do you say on them?
Every day I'm hustling, 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 every
You know what I'm on here pray.
day I'm hustling.
Yo, what do I want? Children, somebody in here. Big up your money, but you can't defend yourself. And you can't defend your friend, them too. All I want to see you, come on, tell me now. Come tell you. I'll be saying,
Trying to kiss me right.
yo, traffic, no more. I don't care defend yourself. All I want to do is see it, I know what you do, I'm still on this side of your stuff, my boyfriend. Everybody put up in my name. Everybody see it, brother. Why?
That's the voice that deep is the power we. Pussy, I wait for the key, I go eat.
If you let me know you're sick with the clear, I need to hear.
That's the voice that deep is the power we.
But what about vibes here?
Now when they be pussy, I go the key, I go eat.
I want to bust them like a red bull.
I saw what the way to go for the vibes. Right now I'm on TV, and you don't think already. And let's go viral. You know it already. On Friday, I'll be up yourself in the place. You know, try something and knock it by the half, you know, you don't really think going in. Precise will be tonight, you know. You understand what I mean? But that's not the man when you're not pumpkin in the community. And you have some of them boy, you go like so them gangsters around and them are pumpkin in the community. All original gangsters with you today, just in a song, yeah. But you, bro. Everyone has shots like that of him. Spoilers. Doctor, dignity, nobody can.
Born in these streets,
I'll be sharing. Don't be get there. Don't get in the water. What the man care about doing a boy care about it? No! How old is somebody who should have been to that day? What's up, Paul? How old is something? Yeah!
even though you can't talk from me.
Make it clear.
Even after days you used to talk.
Father, giving up yourself to that place. God, yeah, before we start seeing.
We were what all we should be.
Look at this house. It's all over this money for you. Put your right up to the sky. God.
Take one ride with you. Now I want to kick it on the front porch. You. Now I want to make like a smoke with you. Now a little baby fun.
Everybody want this somebody sing.
Now I'm just living you. How I wish.
It's not going to the secret place of the most high. Shut up right down and shut up your mind.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will not I've been rapping and laughing so long.
I'll be shaking.
But my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But of course a man that didn't deserve it.
I'll be shaking.
Feel like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch out
Yo, busted.
when you're walking. And you don't love me right if I can lie. So I really hate the truck, but I gotta know.
What more pretty girl?
In the
Yo, here.
I'm the kind of nigga little homies wanna be like over.
Where you original gangster of them. Super high. I think about all the way about mission in our life. People, I'm telling you something that everybody ever like when they hear. Big up all those who you don't care with them.
This is what I am, bro.
Video box! Video box! Yo, brother! People say I feel like money, but they say they can't stop in the life. All who know your foundation, sing the party away. Now sing to them today. Don't get me, take the money out there.
Respect the party. Blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm trying to be with them.
I know that I want you on this show, that's it. Let me tell you. You see it up here? She got to you see it up here? Line up! Jump! Let me down here. What they really want? Ah, that's so good. I know that's something I know about. That's not the meaning of it. What anybody do your sex for the children for the year stop? Let me get this. No city. Don't worry, I'm Johnny. Shut up. Come on, Mom.
No, I got a right. I ain't gonna jeopardize my life. What is it you want? I gave you, you gave me. I blaze you, you blaze me. Nothing more, nothing less. But you at my door, but let me confess. It's the best you ever test. All the rest, I'm like, I ain't girlfriend. Hold on.
She popped on me like. They gonna play on something. All like people who know you have ambition in a life. I have some of them are independent club. All who know you believe in yourself. Clap the block in the ear, I say.
Yeah, this album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that live the boat.
Big up all who know Brooklyn, the city.
When I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And all the niggas in the street.
All who know you have ambition in a life. From nothing to something.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Something passion, heavy D up in the limousine. Got their niggas on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic.
Let me tell you.
I let my tape rock, took my break pop. Smoking weed and turn food, tipping on pop. Stop, way back.
From zero to hero.
Lumberjack.
Look at your stuff.
Remember rapping dude? The hard, you never thought that hip hop would make it this.
Swallow.
Now I'm in the limelight, cause the right night. Time to get paid.
Yo, fuck this.
When I used to eat sauce. I'm blowing up like they thought I would.
Some of them down the way of going on life. All who know you have got somebody. You have ambition. Hey, the next song I like it to me out. People, I want you to listen to a song clearly. People, I want you to listen to a song clearly. Give me a clearly. Hear this.
Running back to my soul,
trying to see the word you jump.
Big up on out there, you see them around in this spotlight.
You so perfect, baby.
See it, yeah.
I got some anxiety I feel, and I done been this way for some years. I don't really get along with my peers. Everything that they do to me is this.
See it, yeah.
In the world, feeling weirdos, fools and scrubs. Tell me what is it you're willing to do for love? You know it's true that the dating pool is fucked. Ain't nobody got him.
See it, yeah. Play it again, play it again.
King, I'm gonna get free guitar on this one. Oh yeah.
All I want ambition, must have love over here. Let's go viral. All who believe in yourself and never where you come from. Show up your brother over here. You're back to the rest of the year. Me say you're proud of yourself and where you come from. Which way you go? Hey! Stop it!
What did you want to back to my soul? I'll be on the Lord and say, if I say I got your back, cause I roll for that shit.
Sniper on this! Outside! Hey!
I wanna lock it in, baby. I'm trying to see the word.
You don't like a man!
Tell me about it.
And more time, I don't want to talk to people. Why?
Social anxiety out there. I done really waited for some beers. I done really get along with my peers. Everything that they do,
Everybody in there!
in the world full of weirdos, fools and scrubs. Tell me what is it you willing to do for love? And the dating pool is fucked. Anybody got it? Just
I know.
I'm looking on when I see you. I feel it. Did you know? Do you know? Did you know? Do you know? Did you know what I'm feeling? I feel what I feel. Keep it real. It's a damn somewhere.
I don't pass here at 25. I'm grateful.
Remember we are 21 more life and just because we so many looking for the 24. Just so you ain't no one.
Some people move like they're ungrateful, so I don't know how to feel for that give them tonight. Most of them come over here and say,
Wait till the end of the day.
You know it already. The word matter, you know it go. Can't do it and keep me, everything alright. See? Big up all promoter with there, big up all promotional family. What dog? And let's go viral. You understand? And you know that's something they go. Look more from this, I 7 Kings with them. I think I sold this. You have 7 Kings family in a place. See? And we go big up all our media on the ground. Everything alright. I said a party and not acting alive. Man, what dog? On different settings. You get me and say after claps. You know the word matter, Stonelove, Javi, Supreme. Yeah, I know look at this DJ Rooks in my